Real Papa trading with my sister.
Okay, so I will put in these 2 simple dimples.
Okay, I'll just offer my triple dimple.
Add one more thing because mine has an extra pop.
No, I decline. I would have added something, but I only have poppets. Okay, so I really want that rainbow poppet.
Oh, okay, offer for it.
Wait, let me see how it pops.
No, you can't.
Okay, that was rude, but I'll give you this melon poppet.
That's it?
And this triple dimple.
I will accept that. Okay, so I want to offer for your lobster poppet and a glow-in-the-dark poppet.
Okay, offer.
Okay, so I will give you my carrot poppet and this red ladybug poppet.
Since that's glow in the dark, I will decline.
Okay, offer for all of my poppets.
Okay, I'll give you this pineapple poppet.
That's it?
Yep.
Here you go.
No way. I have all these poppets.
Oh my gosh,
I've been
I
wanting...
need to get my stuff back.
Too late. OMG, guys, look at all of my poppets. Oh my gosh, guys, I literally just got scammed for this rare jumbo poppet. Some girl gave it to me for all of my fidgets, and I literally got scammed. Look, it's all down in value. It's literally the last one, and no one likes it. No way. She literally has all of the fidgets in the value list. I need to get those fidgets. I have something up my sleeve. I'm going to pretend like it's a scented poppet and spray some perfume on it. This smell will get her good. Let's just spray it. Trading a scented poppet. Did I just hear a scented poppet? I've literally never heard anything like that before. Wait, I know she's gonna come up to me, so let me just hide my top value fidgets. Let's just keep these back here. Hopefully she didn't notice. No, I did not express how good this jumbo scented poppet was. Oh, definitely. I'll give you this melon poppet, my shark poppet, this plastic poppet, and this rainbow heart poppet. I think you did not hear me to add in those hidden fidgets over there. Do I need to repeat my word? Add in those hidden fidgets over there. Okay, you got me. Here you go. That's not all. You need to add in all of those poppets. What? All of my poppets? This is literally my whole collection. I think you're making me overpay way too much. Oh no, this is a scented poppet, and don't forget, it's brand new. Ugh, okay, fine. I'll just do it because I've never heard of a scented poppet before. You got me. Keep them. I can't believe I'm doing this. Jeez, have your scented poppet. No way. This poppet literally smells fabulous. Guys, hopefully her fidgets that I gave her went down in the value list, because I'm pretty sure a scented poppet will go all the way up. But let's check to make sure. What? The jumbo poppet is literally down. No one wants it. I can't believe I fell for her stupid scam. Did I just hear you get scammed? Yes, someone told me this was a scented poppet and I literally fell for it. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Here, try create a poppet. Huh? What's create a poppet? Well, you just talk to the phone and tell them whatever poppet you want. Thank you so much. I really want a cupcake poppet. No way, this thing actually works. I want a whole dimple collection. Guys, I'm gonna be so rich with fidgets. I want any glow-in-the-dark heart poppet. No way. And it's jumbo. This is so good. I think that's enough for now, but I really need to get rid of this scented jumbo poppet. Playing the poppet game with my sister. Also, if you're interested in this poppet we're going to be using in this video, make sure to go check out Gifts of Joy, link in bio. Anyways, the winner of the poppet game will be receiving a candy. They will get to choose whatever flavor they want. Anyway, let's start. Oh my gosh, guys. Yes, I won. Okay, I'm going to be choosing the red one. Okay, I'm going to be having my baby brother open it.
Wow.
Yum. Freezing ice out of my popsicle poppet. Ooh, it's so dirty. I'll be back when I wash it. Ah, that's better. It's still kind of wet though. Also, I still am going to be using a syrup jar as my measuring cup because I still cannot find it. Now I'm starting to think that someone threw it away. Okay, so if I'm going to need to pour the water in, then I'm obviously going to need to flip it over. Now let's see my aiming skills on pouring it into the holes. First little guy. Wow, that was so bad. Oh my gosh. I'm doing like kind of good. Now I'm gonna go freeze it, and I'll see you when it's frozen. Okay, so it is now frozen. Now I'm going to pop it into the bowl. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I'm gonna try this one. Hey everyone! Before we get started with this video, you guys are all probably wondering, why do I have this in my hand? Well, I'm actually going to be trying out some of my stress balls inside of this dinosaur. But before we do that, I'm obviously going to be needing to take out the original stress ball out of the dinosaur. So let's do it. Okay, so I just finished doing that. Now I'm going to go pick out a stress ball to put in here. Okay, so I just came back and picked out a tomato splat ball. So now I'm going to see both of them together. Okay, so it kind of fit, but it kind of didn't, because you can see this. But let's test it out. This is so cool. It didn't really turn out as expected because it did not fit very well. But anyway, let's go see the new stress ball. Okay, so next stress balls I picked out were these white glow-in-the-dark globbles. I brought two just in case one wasn't enough. But anyway, let's try them. Okay, so I got it in and I didn't really need that one. But anyway, let's squeeze it. It feels kind of the same actually, like the dinosaur doesn't do anything. Real fidget trading with Chuck again. Okay, so what will you give me for my ASMR pod?
I'll give you this mesh ball dinosaur.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm definitely gonna accept this trade. Oh wait, did I just get scammed? There's no mesh ball in here.
I'll get scammed.
Are you laughing at me because I fell for your dog trick? I'll get him back soon. Okay, so what will you give me for this big Orbeez ball?
This triple dimple.
I kind of don't want that, so add one more thing.
Pink Nido, take it or leave it.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir, this Orbeez ball bussin'.
Okay, so I want to offer for your plushie. Okay, so I will give you all three of these Tangle, tomato splat ball, and a wacky track snapper.
You got yourself a deal.
Okay, here you go. Never mind, this belongs on your head. Just kidding.
Oh, can I offer for this bussin' poppet?
Okay, here you go.
Yes, and now it's bussin'.
Real fidget trading with my sister. So these are all my fidgets. And these are all her fidgets. Can I offer for your triple dimple?
Sure.
Okay, so I will actually offer this glob ball.
I will accept this, but you have to add more.
Okay, a tangle and a textured monkey noodle. Deal or no deal?
One more thing.
A yellow pop tube.
Okay, I accept.
Yes! Okay, can I offer for your fidget cube because I'm trying to add it to a collection? Okay, so I will add this tie-dye pop and a Nido.
I will accept.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to offer for all of your poppets.
Okay.
I'll offer this wacky track and a pea popper.
Fine, only because your turtle drowned yesterday. Real fidget trading with my sister. We already separated which fidgets we liked and wanted, so now we're gonna start. Okay, so what will you offer for my two tangles?
I don't really want tangles, so I'll just give you 2 mini Nidos.
I'm gonna decline that. Okay, so can I offer for that blue poppet right there?
Okay, offer.
Okay, so I'll give you my red bendy triple dimple and my mini mesh ball.
Fine, only because someone stole your turtle.
That wasn't really funny, but what will you offer for my two Orbeez stress balls?
I'll give you this glob ball and a yellow color changing Nido.
Isn't this one popped? I'm gonna decline that.
Okay, so I really want your carrot poppet, so can I offer for it?
Sure. Okay, what's your offer?
I'll give you this melon poppet.
Except I don't even have a green poppy like this, so that's actually pretty good. Okay, so can I offer for your dimple?
Sure.
I'll give you this stress ball, 2 tangles, and 2 wacky tracks.
I'm gonna decline.
What? Attempting to freeze a red stop sign out of my octagon poppet. Okay, so I still cannot find my measuring cup, so I'll be using this again. Also, I will not be spelling out sign. I'll just be coloring this whole poppet red. Also, I will be using Hawaiian Punch juice packets for the red. Okay, let's start. Okay, so the juice is all made. Now I'm going to pour a little bit into that jar and pour it into the sections. That was a bit messy, but now for the second layer. Now the third. Then the fourth. I'll come back when the other 2 are done. Okay, so the poppet is now done. Time to freeze it. Like for part 2. Okay, so this comment asked how to make a wacky track like these. So in this video, I'll be doing a tutorial with this wacky track. Basically, all it is a DIY snapper. Anyways, let's get into it. So first, you make a plus sign out of your wacky track. And that's the part where it gets hard. First, you bend each corner. Then you bend the bottoms of it. And you made your plus. So the next thing you do is you fold each corner. Just like this. And then you snap it and you have your wacky track just like a snapper. But I do wish I had an actual snapper to compare this DIY wacky track snapper. Bye, I hope this answered your question. Who should I give this poppet to? Me. Well, do you have any fidgets? Okay, well, do you even want this poppet? No. I guess we have to go to someone else now. Hey, ma'am, is that your only fidget?
Yes, sadly I got scammed.
Oh, I'm so sorry. But you're in luck. I want you to have this.
Wait, why?
Well, actually, if you wish for any fidget and you press in a bubble, then you can actually get that fidget.
OMG, thanks.
You're welcome. Wait. If someone steals that poppet, then your fidgets automatically go away that you wish for.
Okay, thanks. I better take care of this poppet then.
Oh my gosh, I really want a simple dimple. No way, guys. There's so many. I really want triple dimples now. OMG, guys. I want 5 plastic poppets. This is so good. I hope I get my dream fidget. Yes! No, where did all my fidgets go?